Hello guys, now I'll be telling what are the engine options we'll be getting in the Nissan Magnet. I'll tell you now what the engine options we're getting in Nissan Magnet and what are the weight of Nissan Magnet of the three specific of an engine precision of Nissan Magnet. I'll tell you now. The first engine precision you'll be getting is a basic 1 liter GDI engine. First engine you'll be getting is a 1 liter basic engine. Guys, that's a basic engine. B4D 1 liter petrol engine. In that, we'll be getting only 910 cc displacement. We'll be getting 18. We'll be getting around 72 thing. Maximum torque is 996, and we'll be getting. We'll be in this gear. We'll be getting five speed manual clutch. We'll be getting. In this, will be electronic power steering. We'll be getting, and the turning radius is 5.0. Guys. The front will be getting disc and rear will be getting drum brakes. We'll be getting. Front will be getting. Studs and lower transfer link suspension. Rear will be getting twin tube telescopic shock absorber, and will be getting a double acting shock absorber. Wheel sizes for all the three variant wheel sizes common. Guys, we'll be getting two wheel sizes. We'll be getting all the four tires which company factory gives you is 195 by R60. 160 R16 is the actual tire. Guys, which all four tires will be company factory tires, and only the spare tire will be shorter in 1 inch shorter. Guys, that is 185 by R6 185 60 by R15 is the spare fill. Guys, I don't know because all cars they for cutting short they're giving the 1 inch smaller size that they're giving for the car. For the spare tire, and the tire diameter is around 640 millimeter. Guys, the first base engine will give 1.8 engine will give is the total car weight is around this 939 is the weight is the carb weight. Guys, this is the first engine option. Now the second engine option will be getting this is a 1 liter GDI engine turbo engine petrol version. In this in Nissan Magnet not anything of diesel. There is no diesel engine in Nissan Magnet. Only 3 petrol engine will be getting. First one at 1 liter petrol engine. The second one will go 1 liter GDI turbo petrol model. This is basically in this we're getting same. The length of this car is 399 is the length of the car. The width of the car is 1758. Height is 1572. Wheelbase is 2500. Then ground clearance is 205 kg. And the boot space is 336 is the boot space. After basically you get 60 watt speed. If you basically in this car you will get 60 watt speed. After putting 60 watt speed will be additional you'll be getting on 690 is you'll be getting the total boot space of the car after the pressing down after the putting down the rear car of the rear seats of the SUV you'll be getting around 690 will be getting. Putting the rear seat will be getting around will be getting 390 is the. So this is the actual boot space of the car. Guys, this is one existing boot space around 690 boot space. The fuel tank capacity for all the three models for mid variant. This is base variant, mid variant, top end variant. Will be all the three variants will be getting around 40 liters is the full tank. Is what is carry vehicle. Guys, full tank is around 40 liters. 40 liters of full tank liters, and in this will be getting 1 liter GDI turbo petrol engine. Same engine displacement for all the three vehicles, and fuel efficiency will be getting is 20. The base weight will be getting 18.75 is the mileage weighting, and in this will be getting 5-speed manual transmission will be getting same as the base variant, and also the steering wheel is same as the base variant. All the base, mid and top variant all gets the same steering wheel get as electronic power steering will be getting, or as EPS will be getting. Basically electronic power steering wheel is a full form of EPS. Guys, and all the three vehicles will be getting 5.8 turning radius only, and all the three vehicles will be disc brake and drum brake will be getting. Front disc, rear drum brake will be getting, and suspension will be total suspension same suspension for all the three vehicles, base, mid and top end variant. Guys, and for all the three variants the same tires will be getting 195 by 60. R16 will be the 4 tires. Only the rate stepney tire or the spare wheel will be getting 1 inch lesser will be getting, that is 185 by 65. R15 will be the spare tire. Guys, and the tire diameter is 640 for all the three variants. Mid, like the base, the mid and top all will be getting 640 will be getting same tire, and only the weight, only the engine and weight will be changing in the all the three variants. Guys, mid variant of Nissan Mana will be getting around 1014 is the curb weight of the Nissan Mana mid variant. Guys, now I'll be telling you the last top end variant. Top end variant will be getting 1 liter turbo G8 turbo CVT petrol engine getting. There's no this option in Nissan Magnet in this vehicle. This is 1 liter G8 turbo CVT petrol will be getting. Based in this same engine will be getting, and in this gearbox will be getting CVT gearbox will be getting CVT gearbox, and same like EPS will be getting 5 meter turning radius, disc front and back drum will be getting, suspension same double suspension. Same 185 60 R16 is all the three tires, all three will be getting one same tire size. Stepney also 185 60 R15 will be the stepney size. Same tire diameter will be getting 640 is the tire diameter. But in this the weight will be around 1039 will be the top end variant for Nissan Mana will be getting it. Same will be getting 40 liters of fuel tank will be getting this vehicle, and the carburetor will be getting. This is the three variants of the Nissan Mana engine specification. The mileage for this CVT will be getting around you'll be getting around 17.7 will be getting the mileage. The mid variant will be getting 20 mileage. The base variant will be getting around 18.5 will be getting is the company standard mileage. And this is for the engine specification of this car. What all variants will be getting, engine specification and the weight of this car. It is all the specifications of the car. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Belno Pratik YouTube channel, guys. This is Belno Pratik. Bye bye.